What if replacing an oven heater didn't require hours of downtime? Modern machinery's quick change oven zones are designed with serviceability in mind. Every minute of downtime impacts production. That's why modern machinery designs quick change oven zones to make maintenance faster, safer, and more efficient. Each heater zone is engineered for quick removal and replacement, reducing service time and minimizing production interruptions. If a heater requires maintenance, operators can quickly perform repairs or replacements without dismantling the entire oven assembly, improving uptime, simplifying maintenance, and lowering the overall cost of ownership. The modular construction is designed to simplify routine maintenance while supporting consistent heating performance, enabling manufacturers to reduce unplanned downtime, improve process reliability, and keep production schedules on track at peak performance. Less downtime, faster service, increased uptime. It's a smarter way to maintain your thermoforming equipment while maintaining consistent thermal performance, minimizing production downtime, and helping manufacturers maximize productivity throughout the life of their equipment. Modern machinery. Visualize, customize, modernize.